In this video, we'll be talking about the VEVOR double-deck gas convection oven, a powerful and efficient commercial-grade oven built for professional kitchens. I have provided the link to this oven in the description below at the best price. Let's start with what makes this oven stand out. The VEVOR double-deck model delivers a massive 396-liter total capacity, giving you enough space to handle large batches effortlessly. Each deck offers 11 rack positions, so you can bake everything from croissants to cakes, cookies, or even roast meats in one go. It's a serious time saver for anyone running a busy food service operation. Under the hood, this unit packs two 40,000 BTU burners, one for each deck, ensuring strong and consistent heating. Combined with its two powerful convection fans, the oven circulates hot air evenly across every corner. That means you get perfectly golden results without the risk of uneven cooking, whether you're baking pastries or roasting trays of vegetables. Another great thing is that the oven doesn't require external ventilation, which makes setup easier in compact or mobile kitchen environments. The stainless steel construction is both sturdy and hygienic, giving this oven a long service life. It's built to handle daily use while still being easy to clean. Just wipe it down, and it's ready for the next batch. The double-layer tempered glass doors are a thoughtful touch, letting you watch your food without losing heat. Plus, with built-in casters, you can easily move it around when needed. For operation, the controls are simple and intuitive. You get a 60-minute timer and a temperature range from 100 degrees Fahrenheit up to 560 degrees Fahrenheit, covering everything from slow baking to high-heat roasting. That kind of flexibility makes it a versatile tool in any professional kitchen. Now, for the honest part, this oven is quite heavy at over 700 pounds, so it's not ideal if you're frequently rearranging your setup. Also, while it includes 3 wire racks, you might want to invest in additional ones to fully utilize all rack levels. Overall, the VEVOR double-deck gas convection oven is a robust and reliable machine that combines power, capacity, and precision. It's a great fit for bakeries and restaurants looking to boost productivity and consistency in every bake.